Just gonna do this one straight from my eyes. Welcome to Jonk does Pennystocking. I'm green about 8 out of the last 10 days, profitable back-to-back weeks, green on the week, green on the month, really finding me footing on higher price stocks, and it is an avenue I will continue to explore because it is making me money, which is scalable once I scale up with the confidence to scale. But this show is called Jonk does Pennystocking, so we will be talking about penny stocks, a couple of good patterns, and some psychology from Tim Sykes. Let it. Oh, they're a bit yellow. I need to use more whitening strips. How's me hair? So let's get this shit bang on the road. 45 minutes into a Tim Sykes Challenge webinar from just a few days ago, and there are some good pieces of advice on psychology, dip buying, and most importantly, considering all of the variables with a tasty metaphor. So let's play it.
George says, appreciate your honesty, Tim. This is no place to be soft or polite. That will result in losing money. Correct. Losing money and not making money and wasting opportunities when they're good because you're focusing on terrible patterns. Can INPX be a good dip buy? No, I said it was a potential short. And guess what? It's dropped $2+ a share. So this was the right short. This was the right plan. Did anybody short it? You dip buy multi-week, multi-month runners, not reverse splits up on hype. GSAT doing nothing, PURA doing nothing, TTNP bouncing a little bit. Potential first green day on TTNP. Similar chart to ears yesterday, but they might do an offering too, who knows. IGCC is totally irrelevant. Patrick says, I think we were just compared to random farm animals. Correct. Some of you guys have the same mindset as a pig. I just visited a farm in New Jersey. I see similarities. Again, not trying to be mean. I'm trying to be realistic. I'm trying to come up with the most, realistic analogy where some people just have such the wrong mindset and you're trading such random junk and expecting success and you're wondering why it doesn't happen. CSUM says, do I have a threshold for the volume you like to see when a potential breakout is about to happen? Well, what's the flow? What's the stock's normal volume? What's the market doing? What's the catalyst? What's the past performance? You guys, again, want this to be this exact science. Like, oh, just buy when you have this volume and you have this. Everything is a sliding scale. This is why we have the Sykes sliding scale. TTNP now not doing much. Ears not doing much.
Yeah, and perfect to end it there because the Tim Sykes sliding scale and trader checklist is such an important DVD for penny stocks because it's probably the best one and it's the free one and it's the least viewed one mentally, but it really teaches you the variables. And well, the analogy of comparing students to New Jersey pigs on a farm is funny. I'm not sure how realistic it is, but it's kind of funny. Is it? I don't know. But anyway, trader checklist, is with watching, even if the analogy kind of isn't with Yaron. And thank you so much for watching. I feel like this shit is dying a little bit, and the YouTube views are definitely dropping. Whoa, look, arms. And I'm certainly getting like to the point where I need to reinvent it a bit, so I think we'll get to 100, and then we'll do something else. Comment if you want 100 plus, or comment if you want something else, because I've been doing this shit for a long time, and I mean, it's, if you think 100 episodes is 2 years worth of content, maybe it's time for change. Holla, comment, and I'll do what yous want, because my only boss that I serve is the fucking people.